In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section in Notion. This guide is designed to walk you through the process in a simple and efficient manner, ensuring you can seamlessly organize your workspace. If you're ready to transform your Notion pages into a more structured and cohesive layout, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is your go-to hub for organizing wikis, documents, and various projects. Once you're on the Notion homepage, locate the Login option, usually at the top right corner. Click on Login to access your workspace. Do make sure that you have your login credentials handy or are signed in using your preferred method, perhaps via Google or another supported platform. After logging in, you'll find yourself in the Notion home. This is the main dashboard where you can access all your pages and workspaces. From here, select a page where you'd like to create a new section. Navigate through your workspace until you reach the specific page you have in mind. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the section you're about to create. Once you're on the desired page, you're going to start creating your section by using Notion's handy / command. In an empty block, go ahead and type the / followed by the word heading. You'll notice that Notion will provide you with different options for header sizes. Picking the right header size can really help to organize the hierarchy of information and make your page more visually appealing. Choose a header style that suits your needs. Whether it's a bold, larger H1, or something smaller like an H3, these headers will act as the titles of your new sections. Now that your heading is set, let's add a bit of structure by inserting a divider underneath. The divider acts as a visual line that separates content, helping to break up sections of your page. Just like before, type a / followed by divider, and watch as Notion instantly places a clean line below your header. It's a small detail, but it makes a significant impact on the overall readability of your page. And that's it! You now have a newly organized section in your Notion page. By following these straightforward steps, you've not only made your content more structured, but also ensured a better flow of information for anyone viewing your page. Remember, the more organized your workspace, the easier it will be to manage and the more productive you'll become. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion!